Hi friends, good morning. So friends, as you can see me, I'm looking confident. I'm looking like a confident English speaker. I'm looking like a confident. So guys, as you can see, I'm looking confident. I also have some smile. I also have some smile over my face as as the camera is looking as the camera is showing to you. As the camera is showing to you. As the camera is showing to you. So guys, so guys, what to tell what to tell today, what to tell, yeah, what to speak today. Do you have any do you have any topics? Then do you have any topics? Then give me on the comment box. Then give me on the comment box. I will i will make the videos over that. I will make the videos over that. One of the one of the content creator was telling me that if you want to become a very good content creator, then first of all you have to start making the videos. Means you have to start making the videos. You never have to worry about the result. You never have to worry about the result, about the views, about the likes, comments and shares. You don't have to think about this. The only thing is to do is to create the video first of all, and thereafter you have to make the videos till 1 month. And you have to look, no, you have to focus on you have to focus on you have to focus on quantity, not quality. First you have to give the quality. First you have to give the quantity content. First you have to give the quantity content, and thereafter you have to give the quality content. And thereafter you have to give the, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry for interrupting. and thereafter and thereafter you have to give the and thereafter you have to give the quality content. Why it is like this? And thereafter you have to give the quality content, when it will come. Quality content, when it will come. When you will learn, when you would when you have when you would have when you would have learned when you have learned that how to give the quality content. And thereafter you have to focus on quality content. And quality content comes automatically. and quality content comes and quality content comes by automatically. Yes, I'm not joking to you, I'm not joking with you. It will happen, and it happens to everyone. Look at look at the creator who is look at the creator look at the creator who is very big, who has become very famous on YouTube. which type of content he was making which type of content he was making previously. Means, if you go to their old videos, then you'll you'll see that they are unable to speak on camera. They are speaking so badly. However, they are speaking so badly. Means, they started their journey like a beginner. And how they become professional, and how they became professional by practicing, by making the videos consistently. So, why I'm telling this to you, why I'm telling this thing to you. because I also want you to become a con- I also want you to become a creator like me, because I have also started my journey like a beginner. right now I right now I am a beginner, but one day I know about me that I will become a very good professional, that one day I will become a very good content creator. I will become a very good professional content creator. I will become a content creator. I will become a very good professional content creator. I know one day. It, one day it will happen. One day it will definitely happen. It will definitely happen. Inshallah. 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 So all you have to do is to set your mindset that I can do this. I can do this, because all powers within me. I can do everything and anything. Because you have born, because 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 everybody has a talent, everybody has a skill, but he doesn't know that what I have inside me, what I have inside me. He must has to find out. He must he must has to he must find out that he must has to find out that he must find out that he must find out that there is something in me or not, there is something in me or not, there is something in me or not, there is something in me or not. Everybody has some of the peoples find their talent. Some of the peoples get their talent, get their skill, but some of them are not, but some of them can't. The only it is just because it is just because it is just because they never try to explore themselves. They never try to explore themselves. They never try to explore themselves. The reason behind this, they never try to explore themselves. And right now what I'm doing, I'm trying to explore myself. I'm trying to explore myself. And and if you explore yourself, then you will definitely get something in you. Then you will get something in you. Then you will get something in you. And if the and if the peoples and if the people are saying and if the people are saying and if the people are saying that what this person is doing, what this person is doing, if he's telling you that he has become crazy, he has become crazy now, then don't worry about his comment. Then don't worry about his comment. Let him speak whatever he is speaking. Let him speak whatever he is speaking. Just leave him on there. Just leave him in their situation. Let's let's leave them in their situation. Don't worry about the situation. Don't worry about the situation that you are facing right now. That you are facing right now. You just have to focus on you only. You just have to focus on yourself only. You just have to focus on yourself. You just have to focus on yourself only. And last night I could not take the medicine. I could not take the medicine because of sleepy air. I could not take the medicine because of sleeping. Because of sleeping, I went to sleep. I went to sleep. I think at 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock because I was tired. I was tired very much. I was exhausted. I got exhausted. I was exhausted also. So I decided that. So I decided that go to my I should go to my bed earlier than other days. I should go to my bed earlier today. I should go to my bed earlier tonight. I love the way I like to talk to myself. My profession is to become a very good English speaker. At the end, at the end, where I will go. At the end, where I will go. At the end, where I will go. I at the end where I will go. I have to. I have to. At the end where I will go. I will. At the end where I will go. I have to. I have to reach my goal. I have to reach my goal. And my goal is to become a very good English speaker. Means I have to compare myself from the first day, from the first day to last, from the first day to last day. That how many, how much how much improvement, how much improvement has been come. How much improvement it has been come. How much improvement has come. So guys, this is all about today. So guys, this is all about today. So see you in the next video at the same. So guys, this is all about today. So see you in the next video at the same. So guys, this is all about today. So see you in the next time at the same place. Until you take care. Allah Hafiz.